Hi, my name's Phil and I'm a schools worker in Swansea and across the region. I've been thinking and I've been wondering, how do you actually get to win a Grand Slam in rugby or a Formula One championship or a gold medal in rowing or sailing or netball? Well, I guess I would suggest fitness, conditioning, determination, funding perhaps. But I think the main need is teamwork, isn't it? I mean, it's a group of people that work together both on the field or the court and behind the scenes in the dugout or the garage that forms the team that delivers the result, not just one individual. I was reading the story of Sam Warburton recently, his exploits and how he got on, his injuries, how he played with Gethin Jenkins, Shane Williams, George North, Alan Wynne-Jones, all superstars really. But it still needed 15 guys on the pitch and perhaps another 15 players in the stand or on standby and a huge host of others working behind the scenes to make things really, really happen. I think it's true with so many things in life, isn't it? I mean, with family and sports teams and friendship groups and schools working together. And you would say, school? Yeah, of course it is. I mean, when you think of it, there's cleaners and dinner supervisors and teaching assistants and secretaries and teachers and head teachers and caretakers and so many more that go to form a place where we can actually learn and develop. Teams working together. The thing is, we're a bunch of individuals, really. I mean, we've all got so many different likes and dislikes. We've got different personalities. I mean, some of us are quieter, some of us are more out there. Different backgrounds, different cultures and family makeup, if you like, and beliefs. And Jesus had a team once. We call them disciples. And you may say there was 12, Peter, James and John, but the team had others as well. There was a couple of Marys, a Joanna, Susanna and Nicodemus. And they all came from different backgrounds and cultures. Some were fishermen, some were tax officials. Jesus himself was a carpenter. One at least was or had been a night worker. Jesus had somehow to form them into a group that would not just look out for themselves, but look out for each other. One of the followers of Jesus years later said these words. I think they're really great. Don't be selfish. Don't try to impress others. Be humble, thinking of others better than yourself. Don't look out only for your own interests, but take an interest in others too. Now, those are great principles if you want to form a team that really works together, aren't they? I mean, we all have different talents and abilities, and somehow we need to get them to work together in order to create harmony. Imagine a team such as a band, for example. I play a little bit of guitar, sing a little bit, not very well really, but in order to form a band, I need to have a keyboardist, a drummer, a bassist, perhaps a violinist, maybe someone who plays a banjo, a cello or trombone. I mean, the list is endless. But you get the point, don't you? We can't do it all ourselves. I mean, if the guitarist wants to impress, as many guitarists do, and only think of themselves, they go off on one big long guitar solo, or the drummer goes off on a bit of a glory march, it would just be noise. I mean, he may be good, but in the end you want more. It works together in harmony when all are tuned in just right, not being selfish, but being willing to let somebody else take the applause sometimes. I mean, Jesus once said it like this: serve one another. In a sense, push another person forward. It means it's good to remember, for example, that when you do a jigsaw, you need all the pieces. I mean, I have grandkids now, so I'm limited to doing 20 piece jigsaws, but even to finish with that sense of satisfaction, you still need all the pieces. And whether it's the corner pieces or the last one in the middle, you still need to have them all together. What were those words again? Don't be selfish. Don't try to impress others. Be humble, thinking of others as better than yourselves. Don't look out only for your own interests, but take an interest in others too. I'm sure I've read something like that in this book. I mean, it's true of a school, a friendship group, even a family. So how can you and I improve the way that we work together? What does it really mean not to be selfish in my team? Or to think of others in my family, or to help a school work better together by looking out not just for my interests, but also for the interests of others? I'll let you think a little bit more about that.